Good morning, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I want to use these little tea bag covers or pouches, and I also want to use some of the images from the pages of this book to make little tags to go in these pouches. My daughter-in-law gave me this little pad, and I just put it on here to decorate the page a little bit. I was thinking about writing on it, but I'm wondering if I want to put one of these here, because I can only fit 4 on a page, really. And like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I was thinking about doing that, and I think I will. I'm also wondering if I should just cut this off, but it's probably going to get frayed, you know? But what the heck. Now I also need to get some tags out, and I'll probably end up trimming these a little bit. Maybe I should just make new ones. Yeah, I think I'll just make new ones out of cardstock and just not waste those by cutting them down. And I need to pick out smaller images that will go on, you know, that will fit on the tag. So look at that page. I think I'm just gonna actually use the whole page and cover up one of the white pages with that one. But let me get my cardstock out. I got some different cardstocks here, and I just have to figure out how thin it needs to be to go in each one. This one's obviously too wide. What about this one? That's gotta make sure I don't use the wrong side. I think this one might. Oh, actually, this one is even too wide. Wonder if I can open this a little bit more. A little bit. Okay, will that fit now? Just barely. So they need to be thinner than this one. I thought this one might be cute, but I'll have to cut an edge off each side. And I'm also wanting to put some images on them, so I don't probably want too fancy of paper. Oh, you don't have to put an image on every single one. Okay, that is the perfect width. Now the perfect height would be like about here. I'm going to cut it right here, and then I'll use that as my template to make the rest. So I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe today. It's been very cold here again, and it's kind of upsetting, actually. We have plants out that we don't want to die. So let's go ahead and put one in here. Okay, I want to get all of them out so I can have them ready. I think they're still in the book, hopefully. Hopefully, yep. That book has just about not much left in it. One more signature, but this is going to be sideways, this pattern. Oh well. I think what I should do is this. You can't always see my little finger marks there that I make with my fingernail. Okay. So let's cut that one down. Oh, you can make these as long as you want. I don't like mine sticking out that far from the top, though. Okay. Let's take out this one. Okay. I've got this. I'll probably speed through doing this part because it's the same repetitive thing over and over. Or maybe I'll just cut some of it out. Who knows? And I may not even use all of these because I'm not sure I'm going to like this one. What I do know, though, is I have to open up all of them as far as I can. So let's see. This one without ripping them. Okay, I got this one. I might have to trim that one a little bit. There should be 6. Where'd the other one go? Let's see. Okay, that's got one. Maybe I should put this one in here. Out of all these teas, I didn't like the banana bread. I thought it was gross. Okay, that. Let's see, this one. I had 6 of them. Why is there only 5? Who saw where the other one went? Let me know in the comments if you know where it is. Oh, I can't find it, but I did find another one. It's just a little more raggedy across the top, but we can still use it. I'll probably find the other one eventually, but it'll be too late. And I thought I would put this one in here. So now we have one for each. These 2 I think will stay for something else. And so what I'm going to do now is glue down the packets, the tea packets, and then we'll do the tags. But I'm wondering if I really need to show you gluing down the packets. I don't know. I guess look at the difference in the sizes. If you don't want to watch me gluing down the packets, I guess you can just move on to the video. Just fast forward a little bit. Because this is going to take a while. I'm going to be putting these on with tape, and I'm wondering now that I've talked about it, I think I'll just do one on camera. And I'm going to put the rest over on this page here. So I'll do this one in the middle here. I can still do some journaling around it if I want. And then, of course, I can do journaling on the tag. But I think the main thing of this video is decorating the tag, so. Okay. That one's not coming off. Sometimes I think if you push down on them too hard, they are harder to get all apart. There. Okay. So this one's going to go right here. All right, I'm going to do the others off camera, and then we'll get busy on the tags. I ended up trying to glue these on with Fabri-Tac because it was faster, but also, I think I did only have 5 because I had the berry crumble here already. So let me know in the comments below. Am I missing one? Did I lose one? Or did I only have 5 more? Tell me in the comments below. So we got these here. Now let's start working on our tags. Get that out of the way. This page I'm keeping for a page. I like this page too much to cut it up. So let's see now. Oh, he's cute. I'm going to use him too, but probably not in this book. Okay, let's see what we got. Here's all our tags. I do have to cut off like the tip, the corners up here, because I like my tags to look like tags. This one's a little raggedy here. Okay, we'll work on this one first. Oh, these are so cute. Maybe we'll put this little guy on a tag. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. I think I need my paper cutter for this. I also need my glasses. Okay. I'm wondering if I should fussy cut him out, actually. I think I should, because I don't want to cut the bunnies off. I might use the bunnies on another tag. I'm going to use these pages to make some envelopes and some other things. So stay tuned for that. Or come back for that, I should say. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified that that's happening. Okay. These are the pages that I took out of the cover that you saw. I don't know, did I show you the cover? You've probably seen it if you've been here before. Okay, get that little finger he's pointing. I forget the name of the book. Something about nature. I'll show it to you guys when we're done with the tags. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put him right on here. I think that would be adorable. And we use glue stick for that. I've got so much stuff here. Oh, here it is. The Wonders of Nature. That's the name of the book. This would be cute. Oh, too much glue there. If I could fussy cut around that and then put a picture in the middle, that would be cute too. We're going to put him here, and I see I got a big hunk of glue there. And I do have, oh, I'm going to need a baby wipe. I do have some pink. I think I need a new blade in my cutter. I've got pink ink. Maybe I can ink around this a little bit. I was hoping I wouldn't have to get out my... Let's see. I think I got a pink one right here. Yeah, let's do that. I use pink and like the browns the most in my journals. Okay, I think that's good for one of the tags. I don't think we need anything else except a little bit of glue right there. And another wipe. So there's one tag. Where can I put it to not lose it? I'll put it over here. Out of the way. Let's get the next tag. Should we use those bunnies? Okay. Yeah, I definitely feel like maybe I do need a new blade. I have one. Should just put it in. Okay, that's better. Yeah, I definitely need a new blade, but I'll do that off camera. Okay, where's the bunny page? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's right here. All right, what if we put bunnies on that? And the blue page? So much glue. I don't know. Too much, maybe. Okay. Well, one thing I didn't do was cut oh no, where'd that little guy go? He's going to kind of go behind this little bunny, which I didn't think about. I think he can just go like that. Okay, there we go. I didn't cut my little tips off there, so let's do that. I don't care if they match perfectly or not. So we have this one now. How cute is that? On the back of this one. Oh. They're so cute. What about the frog? He would fit. I could put him on here. Let's do that. Oh. And we have a homemade pond that we set up every spring. It's so cold we haven't done it yet, but we always get frogs in it every year. And it just thrills me. I would love to get a turtle. That would be something. We live across the street from a pond, so it's not that far-fetched of an idea that one could wander over. And they like strawberries, so we have strawberries that surround our pond. So you never know. Can't get this little hunk off here. There. Do I want to cut these little toenails out? I think I do. Oh, sorry. I just noticed I wasn't on camera. I'm so sorry. I don't know how much of that was off camera. But I am going to cut his toenails. His toes. His flipper toes. You'd think it would not be that difficult because I got the camera right in front of my face. But I don't focus on the camera. That's the thing. I'm not focusing on the camera. So let's see. We can put him there. And where's my glue page? Here's a little page. Oh, too much glue. Make sure all those toes have some glue on them. Need a little full of glue. Okay, he fits on there. Good. And we'll cut this. So there's that one. I think that looks really cute. Let's go for the fish. Why the heck not? He's got a cute little face. Don't you think he's got a cute little face? Okay. I'm looking forward to summer. Kids will be coming up. We usually have like a reunion, and all the kids come, or at least most of the kids can come. Sometimes they don't all come, but usually they do. And that's always fun. Hectic but fun. I think we'll go ahead and put the fish like this. Why not? Or should I just kind of do it like that? Maybe like that. I might put some words on these too, actually. Some word phrases. If I do that, I'll do it off camera and come back. I could put some word phrases from the book. That would be cool. I'm wondering if I'm going to regret not having every single tag have the same size corners cut off. Who knows? And then we have this or this, and I'm kind of leaning towards this, but I don't know what I would put on it. Maybe I'll just leave that one the way it is. It's not bad, and it is pretty. So we've got 5 tags with pictures, well, 4 with pictures from the book. And yeah, I think that's how it's going to be. I'm going to see if I can find some pictures. Or not pictures, words. Alright, so here are my tags. I put a little bunny sticker on here and it says you can never have too much happy. And this one, the journey is the destination, and I thought he could go right in here because it'll match good with that one. Let's put this one here. I think it would match with this one. Good. And then we have hello my darling, and I think I'll go ahead and put this one right here. Uh-oh. I hope I didn't glue it shut. Nope. This one says, life was meant for a great adventure. So we'll put that one in here. And this one says, here comes Peter Cottontail. And I can put little photographs on the back, or I can do journaling on the back, and I just think that's a really cute page. So there's that. And now on this page, I was thinking, where's the one that I wanted to glue on there? This one. It's almost perfect. So I think we're just going to go ahead and maybe just cut off the bottom a tad. Just a tad. And glue it down. There. Now I could make it a pocket, but I don't think I want to be messing with it all the time because then it will just get ruined. So let's not make it a pocket and let's just glue it down. My bigger gluing paper here, and I'm just gonna, it's still a little bit too big. That's alright, I can trim it off later. Let's get this page slathered. There. Got my little scraper tool. There. This is the kind of stuff I used to love to do when I was a kid. We'd look for salamanders and little fish. So much fun. Little frogs, and even little turtles. So, we've got this page, and we've got this page, and this page is going to stay exactly like this. And we'll be into, we're actually into the next section there, the next signature. So I think I'm going to also put some pages, glue some pages into that. And I'll show you that next time. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.